Have you ever wanted to build your own trading bot without writing a single line of code? Now you can. Lightspeed Financial just partnered with Level2 to launch a powerful drag-and-drop trading bot builder, designed for anyone, not just programmers. Let's break it down. You start by visually mapping out your trading strategy using Level2's no-code builder. Define your indicators, set entry and exit conditions. Alright, so first you'll want to test everything with built-in historical backtesting. Once your strategy looks solid, just connect it to Lightspeed's Connect API, and, well, your bot goes live. Trades are executed automatically right from your brokerage account. It's a full pipeline design, backtest, deploy, no coding, no guesswork. This isn't just another retail tool. You're getting institutional-grade execution on a retail account. That means you get low-latency trading, direct market access, and of course, reliable infrastructure. And for traders, honestly, that can be the difference between slippage and precision. You're not building alone. This platform also supports social trading, so you can share your custom bots, follow top creators, and, yeah, even clone strategies with just one click. You know, it's not just plug and play, it's plug and scale. Algorithmic trading is booming. The market is projected to grow from $2.5 billion in 2025 to over $4 billion by 2032. This Lightspeed X Level 2 move is part of that shift. Automation is no longer reserved for hedge funds or coders, it's now accessible, visual, instant. So, here's why this really matters. No code means you can build things faster, and honestly, you'll run into fewer errors along the way. Backtesting gives you confidence before you ever go live. And API execution, that ensures both speed and accuracy when you're making real trades. This could actually be the gateway for anyone who feels stuck somewhere between manual trading and going all in on full automation. Have you tried any drag-and-drop bot builders before? What strategies did you automate? What worked for you? What failed? Go ahead and drop your experience in the comments. Your input might just spark someone else's breakthrough. And hey, if you found this valuable, subscribe and stay tuned to FinTech Bot Focused, where we decode and deploy the future of automated trading. Thanks for watching.